Hey guys, and welcome back to the channel. Today we're at another great villa. This place is like 3 minutes from my house, so I love the area. 3 stories tall, really incredible features. You guys are gonna not wanna miss this one, so make sure to hang on for the ride. Right now we're on the top level. This is the 3rd level, which is kind of interesting because it's so vast, and it's like your dining area, your entertainment area, your kitchen's on this side of the room. But outside, I wanted to point this out. We've got 2 different patios right here and then also another one right there. But then if you guys follow me over here, you're gonna see on this side, we've got another beautiful terrace. And guys, the view from here is just incredible. And it's also incredible on the other side, right? Beautiful vaulted ceilings. I love the pendant lighting. Come on through here though, let's check out the kitchen really quick. Okay. This kitchen is spectacular, guys. It's so huge. I love all the counter space. I am such a sucker for having tons of prep area. And then once again, you got another one of these sweet little patio areas right here, right? So you can cook your food, head outside, eat some food, and then yell at your guests down at the pool. Okay, so back into the living area, I wanted to point this out too. Look at this freaking Viking table, you guys. Isn't this so cool? I love, it's just huge, right? And it's right in the center of your room. So if you've ever got any like round table meetings, right? You and all your friends can get your swords and stuff, and you can all sit around this with your beer. Really cool feature. Okay, so this 3rd story balcony too, it's just so beautiful. Like, I love the view, guys. Like, it's incredible. And then you got this nice little patio area right here. It's just a dive for out here, guys. So leading down to your 2nd level, there's a lot more on this level actually to see. Starting out here, we've got a really beautiful little guest room. If I were the master, which I'm not, but if I were, I would definitely choose this room to stay in. It's just totally beautiful. Got really easy pool access right there, which is really great. A nice little lounge area right here, plenty of wardrobe space. And then also, if you guys come through here, you'll see the bathroom. Got a really beautiful single tub right here. We've got a really nice rainfall shower. And of course, got to check out the height as usual. This is the first thing I do in every single house I check out. I have to have a tall shower. It's so important. Beautiful double vanity right here. Perfect place to do your business. I just love having 2 doors right here. I don't know what it is. Maybe it's like if you need to get out of here in a quick panic situation, then you got 2 different ways to run, you know? It's kind of cool. Heading on to the rest of this floor, guys, right here, we've got your master room. And it's so hard to define like which one would be the master room exactly, but I would say it's probably this one, but honestly, they're all very masterful. You got a powder room on this side, and then over on that side, you've got your shower room. Nice little rainfall shower head right here. Absolutely gorgeous, really tall. What I really like about this and what I think makes this room the master room is this is totally private to this room, right? So lots of space here. You could grill, you could barbecue. This is definitely a beautiful view, guys. Same view that you've got upstairs, just totally gorgeous. These swans died. I'm so sorry, guys. They've been working hard like us all day long. They just couldn't take the heat. It's just too hot in here with all these windows open. All right, so leading out from your master room right here, of course, you've got your pool. And I did want to point out, so right on this side, that was the guest room we checked out just a second ago. But we got another guest room over here. King size bed. Nice little workspace. It's a little bit more spacious in this room, but I really love this nice little private courtyard out here. Let's check it out. Beautiful outdoor patio, absolutely gorgeous. But leading through here, I wanted to show you guys this. Got the bathroom in here, right? Nice spacious bathroom. I love the double vanity, of course. And then if you come out here though, what I really like about this place is that you've actually got access directly to nice little dining area right here next to your pool, and a really cool little barbecue spot right here. So that way you can, you know, grill up some hamburgers and then like throw them to all your friends in the pool, or like throw them at your friends in the pool, right? That's probably what I would do. Leading over here, you're gonna notice that you've got a beautiful little pool right here. You can step down into it. Looks nice and deep, looks very well maintained. And I really love this little jacuzzi area over here. You got jets on all sides. Not sure if you guys can see it through the water, but it's a beautiful little seating area. Got a beautiful little outdoor shower right here. And you even have your pool rules right here. It says no food or drinks. I guess you're not allowed to throw hamburgers at your friends. You have a really nice little wet island right here. You got plenty of storage space underneath. And also behind this island, you've got a really cute little courtyard, guys. And this is just a perfect spot to take Nacho for a walk. So leading through here, you've got your nice little private guest room, and we seriously just found this place. It's not connected with the rest of the house. You just walk around the courtyard and then it's like a separate little entrance. So you could even rent this out to somebody and they wouldn't walk through your house to get to it. I just think it's like a kind of cool little way to make a little side income. Everything you need. You've got your beautiful shower right here, nice bathroom, good size, single standing vanity right there. You've got a beautiful king size bed on this side, recessed lighting, of course, as in most Thai places. And then you've got a really nice little wardrobe right here. Maybe this could even be your staff quarters if you wanted to luxe it up for them. Okay, so leading out of your private guest room, you've got this nice little courtyard area out here. And I really, really love this mural right here. I don't know, just like a lot of beautiful ladies always waiting for you outside your room, right? Like how much better can it get than that? Okay, so heading back around to the front area of your house. And like I said, this is a nice little private residence on the left side of your estate. I really love that. But we're gonna check out the bottom level of your main residence next. So follow me through here. Beautiful guest room in here. I love this setup. You've got twin beds right here, recessed lighting. And it's kind of interesting. The bathroom is right here. You're gonna actually step up into it. Usually I'm used to the sunken bathrooms. This is kind of like, I don't know, going to the bathroom at elevation. I like it. Leading out of your guest room, now there's a laundry room right through here, but if you guys follow me this way, you're gonna notice this is like your main entrance right here. You got your grand entrance out front. We are gonna check that out in a second though, and it's super grand, so you guys wanna see that, but follow me through here. Let's check this out. Okay, next guest room, right? Beautiful little exit right here to your front patio, and then you've got double king size beds right here. Beautiful wardrobe over here on this side of the room, and it even has a little light. That's kind of cool. And then if you follow me through here, we're gonna come into your bathroom. You got a beautiful double vanity right here. Past your sleeping statue right here, you've got your grand entrance, guys. Love the outer terrace right here. Love the space of this driveway, guys. I mean, it's just huge. This place is in a gated community and your driveway is also gated. So you got double gates working for you, right? And you have tons and tons and tons and tons of parking space. But let me just point this out, guys. Like, doesn't this look like the Fresh Prince of Bel-Air? Straight up, it's so crazy, I love it. Also right here at the beginning of your driveway, you've got plenty of parking space right here. You could fit probably 2 cars right here, give or take. And if you got a friend that you really, really hate, invite them to stay over here and then like take all these beautiful photos of this place. And then you can tell them that they're staying in this room right here. Be perfect for them. Thanks for watching this video with us today, guys. We hope that you enjoyed it. Make sure that you guys, if you're interested in this property or any others, go to this website in the description below. And also please subscribe to our channel and like our video. You have no idea how much it helps us. We'll see you on the next one.